This video po is papakita ko sa inyo kung paano po tayo mag-upload ng long form video nang hindi siya nahahati into reels. Una is bubuksan po natin ang ating Facebook account. Teka lang ha. So dito sa ating Facebook account as is na mag-a-upload po tayo ng long form video. So i-click lang po natin tong what's on your mind. Then maghahanap po tayo ng video na ating i-upload. So make sure na yung video na yun is more than 1 minute and 30 seconds dahil yun po yung hinahati ni Facebook into reels. So halimbawa ito pong 3 minutes and 21 seconds po ang ating i-upload. Then lagyan na po natin ng caption. Okay. Click po natin tong next. So lagyan po natin ng title. Then dito po scroll up po natin, makikita natin tong create playlist from your video, naka-on po siya. So ito po yung dapat nating i-turn off. I-click po natin yan. So ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na reels and short videos get more views. So you may missed out on growth if you don't post reels 90 seconds or less. Kaya ginagawa po nila ni Facebook, nahahatiin siya into reels para daw po mas marami yung makakapanood ng ating video. So, how does it work? Once you publish a video longer than 90 seconds, we'll try to determine where there are speech gaps and cut it at those points. So, sila na po yung maghahati doon. The reels will then be automatically added to a playlist that will be published. So, let's continue. Meron pong tanong dito na parcel delivery. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is itatoggle off po natin yan. So, dahil naka-blue po yan, ibig sabihin naka-on po yan. So, i-click lang po natin at mata-turn off po yan. And then, i-click lang po natin yung save. So, pagkatapos po nyan is hindi na po yan kakat into reels. Then, share now. So, yun lamang po. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe everyone. Bye!